Welcome to this technical guide on the Acer 1849-2. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're experiencing issues with your Acer 1849-2, where it can't hold a charge and dies quickly, you're not alone. This problem often arises due to a failing battery, which can happen over time as the battery's capacity diminishes. If left unaddressed, this can lead to further complications and hinder your productivity. To tackle this issue, you will need a few tools: a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a replacement battery specifically for the Acer 1849-2. First, ensure your laptop is powered down and unplugged. Begin by flipping your laptop over to access the base. Carefully use the spudger to pry open the back cover, taking care not to apply too much force to avoid damaging any clips. Once the cover is off, you will see the battery located prominently in the center. The issue lies here, as this battery is likely worn out and needs replacing. To proceed, you will need to remove the screws securing the battery in place. These are typically small Phillips screws, so use your screwdriver to carefully unscrew them. Make sure to keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them for the new battery. Gently disconnect the battery by lifting it out of its compartment. Be cautious of any attached cables. If you encounter resistance, check to ensure you're not missing any screws. After extracting the old battery, take your new replacement battery and align it in the same position as the old one. Connect it securely, ensuring that the contacts are properly aligned. Now, replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them gently but firmly to avoid stripping the screws. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the new battery is in place, carefully reattach the back cover of your laptop, ensuring all clips snap into place. After securing the cover, it's time to power on your device and check that everything is functioning correctly. Make sure to monitor the battery life to see if it holds a charge effectively. To prevent similar issues in the future, consider calibrating your battery regularly and avoiding extreme temperature conditions. Additionally, ensure that you charge your device properly, not letting it fully drain on a regular basis. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.